Welcome to our overview of air core coils, essential components in modern electronics. Known for their precision and efficiency, these coils play a crucial role in various high-frequency applications, offering unique advantages over traditional magnetic core coils. Air core coils are crafted from enameled copper or high-frequency Litz wire. They operate without a magnetic core, relying on air to maintain their magnetic field, which is key to their efficiency and precision. The manufacturing process of air core coils involves winding with self-bonding wire. Heating bonds the turns, ensuring stability. These coils can be configured in single, bifilar, or trifilar winding, depending on the application needs. Modern techniques like orthocyclic winding enhance the copper fill factor, boosting magnetic field strength. Edgewise winding, using rectangular wire on its flat side, optimizes both space and performance, making these coils highly efficient. Air core coils are ideal for high-frequency applications, reducing energy loss in RF circuits, filters, and inductors. Thank you for joining us in exploring the fascinating world of air coils, and don't hesitate to involve KUK in your next coil winding project.